The investment conversation can sound very complicated. You've got real estate, you've got mutual funds, stock markets, talk about treasury bills and bonds. And all these products can sound all confusing, yeah? And many people wonder, do I step into this or that? And that speaks to an important conversation, the conversation of your investment strategy. Hi, my name is Alex Kibebe from Rubiani Wealth Management. And Rubiani is an investment company. We provide awareness, advice, and access to investment solutions in the market. So join in and be part of this conversation. So what is your investment strategy? And what does investment strategy mean anyway? And so this is the thing, yeah? Most people don't have a strategy, yeah? They get a person, maybe it's a financial advisor, and they convince them that this is a product to go into. They hear someone selling land, convince them that this is the place to go, that soon there's going to be all this highway and stuff, and they switch to that. So they don't have a clear plan or strategy for their investment. But I put it to you that having an investment strategy is probably one of the most important key to building wealth and being successful in your investment journey. And there are different investment strategies. Maybe I can mention a few. There are people whose investment strategy is very simple. They make money and they keep buying land. So these people are always making money, whether it's in business or in employment, and immediately they get to a certain lump sum, they buy a piece of land, yeah? And I know probably you know a few of such people, yeah, who just keep building land. Good strategy? Yes, because land keeps appreciating. The only setback of such a strategy is something called cash flow. Land is good in terms of asset, but it has zero when it comes to cash flow. So many of such people, when, for example, they are retiring or they get into an emergency or they're educating their children, they really struggle to convert their pieces of land to real cash money. Yeah. And so that strategy might require some adjustment for it being practical and it being successful to fulfill your investment goals. Another strategy I know is that there are people who step into business. So they will get into business and they'll keep adding more and more money in their business. So the more they make wealth, the more they grow business. And that is good because you see, the more capital you invest into a business, be it in growing the marketing, growing in your production line, employing new people to do more work, definitely, in one way or another, the business will keep growing. But there's also a setback in such a strategy, and I've seen it play so often that it's worth mentioning. The problem with investing back into your business is that your business becomes a single point of failure. What does that mean? In case anything happens to your business, all your wealth goes down. And I've seen so many people do that. Maybe you had a shop, business was booming, you kept reinvesting, it kept growing. Then either the business changed or something came your way. Maybe competition took over, maybe the way people live changed, and you lose your business. And I've seen very wealthy entrepreneurs be brought down to the ground to being very broke simply because they kept reinvesting in their business and they didn't put their money anywhere else. Another strategy I can tell you about is something called the diversification strategy. So this investor understands that if you put your money in one thing, for example, the person who bought land or the person who keeps reinvesting in business, that there is a risk because if any of those things that they're putting their money in collapses, then they've lost their wealth. So what do? They invest in anything they can put their hands in. So they have some money in stock markets, they have some money in mutual funds, they have some treasury bills, they have a piece of land here and there, and so their wealth is diversified all over. Good strategy, advantageous, because it means that they are protected. In case the markets go this way, there's this one protecting them. Is it all that good? Well, I say that it has a huge setback. At times when you over diversify, it's very hard to grow your wealth because your money is spread everywhere. So you cannot collate it towards a definite investment goal. So if your money is here, you're in a chama, you contribute some money, another group of people, you're investing together, you've put some money in stock markets, you're in mutual funds, you've started one or two businesses on the sides, and probably you're employed. And so your money is all over. Your mind is all over. I promise you, it's very hard to grow wealth with such a strategy. And so allow me to introduce our Rubiani wealth management investment strategy. We call it the Rubiani investment model. Very simple, but I'll be very honest with you. Number one, this is a model we've created over many years, dealing with investors of all genre. Yeah, some who are very rich, some who are getting started, but we've seen it work because we've refined it over time. And so how does the model work? Number one is we advise you to open what is called a fixed income investment account, which is your base investment account. It could be a money market fund, it could be a bond fund, it could be a circle account, but it's a base place where your money cannot go lower. It protects your capital and gives you some money above that. That becomes your base. Yeah. And from there, we are able to advise you depending on the seasons of the market. It's time to step in the stock markets. It's time to step in treasury bills and bonds. It's time to consider real estate. Your wealth is enough to go into real estate, for example, build a flat or buy one or two properties. So we keep adjusting as your opportunities come your way, as season changes, and as your wealth grows in order to be able to access some of these investment products. For example, real estate might cost you a lot, so you might need to grow your money over time. And so the way we do it is that as you grow your money in your base account, it could be circle, it could be money market account, then you're able to multiply your money. When the stock market is ripe, remove the money from the money market, invest in stocks. When your stocks grow, sell them, return your money to your money market account. When the rates are high, like currently, we're seeing treasury bond rates at 17+%. Really good. Remove your money from your money market account or your base account, put it in treasury bonds. Yeah. If you get, for example, an opportunity, real estate opportunity, again, such opportunities find people who already have money. So remove the money from your money market account, buy that particular product. And you see, we call this the multiplier. That removing money from your base investment account to this seasonal investment opportunity can really be a game changer for you in your investment journey. And so we usually use that as an investment strategy. Then besides that, we always say it's nice to have an emergency account. It's nice to have the right insurance products to cover your risks. And the whole idea about that is that it protects your journey. As you are investing, you are safe so that any eventuality that comes your way, you've covered it through insurance and emergency account. And I can promise you that I've seen this work for so many people. But it's so important that as you're using such a strategy, you have the right investment partner to keep advising you on how to move from this particular investment product or class to this other one, so that you can have optimal return on your investments. And allow me to introduce to you Rubiani Wealth Management Limited. We are an investment company, and that's what we specialize in. We do a lot of research to give you advice so that you choose the right products for yourselves. We create awareness. We are in different investment class: real estate, stock markets, treasury products, mutual funds, a whole diverse offshore investing, dollar funds, very diverse in terms of our portfolio of investment products that we offer to our clients. And we offer you the best providers. We are agents, so we help you through the whole process of investing. And so in case you're interested in connecting with us, you can always connect for information like this video by connecting to our YouTube channel and our social media handles. They've been shared in this video. But besides that, you can reach out to us by calling us, by emailing us, and we can start on this investment journey with you. Thank you.